Hello imbibers. Imbibing is always better than learning guys. So keep imbibing. तो भैया आज स्वागत है आप लोगों का इस क्लास में। ये जो क्लास होगी दोस्तों, ये जो सेशन होगा हमारा नंबर सिस्टम का सेशन होगा। नंबर सिस्टम मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स में आता है सीडीएस में। तो आप लोग इसको अच्छे से समझिएगा, सारे क्वेश्चंस एक एक करके आप लोग, ठीक है, मैं आपको बताता हुआ जाऊंगा। पहला क्वेश्चन आपके स्ट्रेट आपके सामने आ चुका है, आप लोग ट्राई करेंगे और बताएंगे आंसर क्या होगा। कोई भी आंसर गाइस अगर आप लोगों का आए तो आप लोग मेरे साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं। पहले ये बता दीजिए, क्या सभी लोगों को आवाज अच्छे से आ रही है? मेरी वीडियो मेरा अच्छे से दिखाई दे रहा है आप लोगों को? कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है? ठीक है। और एक बार सेशन को जरूर से शेयर कर दीजिएगा अपने मित्रों के साथ सभी लोग, ठीक है, ताकि सभी बंधुओं को इस सेशन का फायदा मिल पाए। यहाँ पर जो हम ये सेशन करने जा रहे हैं, इस सेशन के अंदर हम रिमाइंडर्स, यूनिट डिजिट्स, फैक्टोरियल और गुणनखंड मतलब फैक्टर्स, सक्सेसिव डिवीजन, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस करने जा रहे हैं दोस्तों, जो कि बहुत हेल्प करेंगे आप सब लोगों की। पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर ऑफ दिस नंबर, दिस एक्सप्रेशन। ये जो एक्सप्रेशन आपके सामने लिखा है, इसका आप लोगों को क्या बताना है? रिमाइंडर बताना है। तो कितने लोग जो हैं आप लोगों में से इसका रिमाइंडर बता सकते हैं? कोई भी अगर आप लोगों में से बता सकते हैं तो आंसर दीजिए। लास्ट 30 सेकेंड्स आप लोगों को यहां पर मैं दे रहा हूं, जल्दी से आप लोग ट्राई करेंगे और आंसर देंगे। फाइंड द रिमाइंडर ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन। तो ध्यान से देखिएगा दोस्तों, इसको कैसे किया जाता है। अगर आप यहां पर 9 से इसको डिवाइड करोगे तो इसको आपको एक साथ ऐड करके और डिवाइड करने की जरूरत नहीं, आप अलग अलग भी ऐड करके और डिवाइड कर सकते हो। 9 से जब आप डिवाइड करोगे तो 123 को जब आपने डिवाइड किया 123 को, ठीक है, तो 9 या 27, 6 रिमाइंडर आएगा। जब आपने इसको डिवाइड किया तो यहाँ से 6 रिमाइंडर आएगा। हमको अच्छे से पता है रिमाइंडर थ्योरम क्या कहती है कि हम अलग अलग सबको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। ऐसे 456 को जब आप डिवाइड करोगे, 9 पंजे 45, 6 ही बचेगा यहाँ पर भी, ठीक है। बचेगा कि नहीं बताओ आप लोग? ठीक है। ऐसे ही आपने 9 से जब इसको आगे डिवाइड किया, 9 सत्ते 63, 4 बचा, 9 पंजे 45, 3 बचेगा यहाँ पर, और 9 अट्ठे 72, 9 सत्ते 63, फिर से आपका 6 बचेगा। बताइए बचेगा? तो सब नंबर को हमने क्या किया? अलग अलग डिवाइड करके देख लिया 9 से। तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन में आपको सबको अलग अलग डिवाइड करके देखना पड़ता है। 123 को डिवाइड करके देखा, 456 को, 678 को, 789 को। तो अलग अलग हमको जो है रिमाइंडर मिले 6, 6 और फिर हमको मिला 3 और फिर हमको मिला 6। तो 6 18 और 3 21। टोटल रिमाइंडर मेरा कितना आ गया? टोटल शेषफल आ गया 21। लेकिन ये जो शेषफल आ गया 21, ये अभी भी 9 से फिर से डिवाइड होगा और यहां से आपको जो फाइनल रिमाइंडर आएगा वो मिलेगा। तो 9 दूनी 18 दो बार गया, और यहां से जो फाइनल शेषफल बचेगा वही आपका आंसर होगा, क्योंकि 21 आगे अभी डिवाइड हो सकता है 9 से। तो ये फाइनल आपका रिमाइंडर नहीं था। रिमाइंडर हमेशा डिवाइजर से छोटा होना चाहिए, भाजक से छोटा होना चाहिए शेषफल। तो आपका जो फाइनल शेषफल जो आएगा वो आएगा 3 के इक्वल, ठीक है। सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज 3। अगला चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ, जल्दी से आप लोग ट्राई करेंगे और बताएंगे आंसर। फाइंड द रिमाइंडर ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशन। इस एक्सप्रेशन का आपको रिमाइंडर बताना है। तो देखिए 19 की पावर यहां पर दे रखी है 200 डिवाइड बाई 18, इसका रिमाइंडर आपको बताना है। तो 18 एकम 18, 1 बचेगा, तो 1 की पावर 200। रिमाइंडर यहां पर कितना आ जाएगा दोस्तों? 1 के बराबर आ जाएगा। बताइए था कि नहीं? बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन, डायरेक्ट करने का क्वेश्चन था, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने ऐसे क्वेश्चंस काफी कर रखे हैं पहले भी। बताओ कर रखे हैं कि नहीं? ठीक है, चलिए आगे चलें फिर। अगर आप लोगों को सीडीएस सीएपीएफ की अच्छी तैयारी करनी है तो आप एम्बाइब ऐप को जरूर से ज्वाइन कर लें, एम्बाइब ऐप को डाउनलोड कर लें, वहां पर आकर आपको CDS CAPF का कंबाइंड बैच मिल जाएगा। लाइव बैच डेली चलता है दोस्तों। इसी तरह से अगर आप लोग SSC की तैयारी कर रहे हैं या CAPF का महारिवीजन अगर आप कर रहे हैं, देखो CAPF की महारिवीजन क्लासेस आप लोगों की एक तो 12 बजे चल रही है यूट्यूब पर और 2 बजे आपकी चल रही है एम्बाइब ऐप पर। ये दोनों फ्री क्लासेस हैं, आप लोग इसको जरूर ज्वाइन करें। 1 महीने से ये कंटिन्यू चल रही है महारिवीजन क्लासेस, ठीक है। तो ये 2-3 दिन की क्लास हो रहा है जिनको आप लोग कंटिन्यू करते रहें ताकि आपकी अच्छी तैयारी हो जाए। और बाकी बैचेज अगर SSC बैंक वगैरह भी ज्वाइन करने हैं तो आप एम्बाइब ऐप पर फ्री में उनका फायदा उठा सकते हो दोस्तों। फाइंड द रिमाइंडर ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशन। ये जो एक्सप्रेशन आपके सामने है इसका रिमाइंडर आपको यहां पर बताना है। इसको 10 से जब डिवाइड किया जाए, फैक्टोरियल नंबर है पूरा, उसको अगर 10 से पूरा पूरा डिवाइड किया जाए तो रिमाइंडर क्या होगा, तो बड़े ध्यान से आप लोग नोट कीजिएगा। 1 का फैक्टोरियल प्लस 2 का फैक्टोरियल, इस तरह से आपका नंबर है। तो 1 का फैक्टोरियल 1 होता है, 2 का फैक्टोरियल 2 होता है, 3 का फैक्टोरियल 6 होता है, 4 का फैक्टोरियल 24 होता है, 5 का फैक्टोरियल 120 होता है, 6 का फैक्टोरियल 720 होता है, एंड सो ऑन। आप अगर ध्यान से देखते हो दोस्तों तो 5 का फैक्टोरियल जो है वहां से आगे जितने भी नंबर हैं वो सारे 10 से विभाजित हो रहे हैं, मतलब उनका शेषफल 0 होगा, क्योंकि 120 में भी आप 10 का भाग लगाओगे तो 0 बचेगा, 720 में भी 10 का भाग लगाओगे तो 0 बचेगा, क्योंकि जिन इन सबके लास्ट में 0 आ रहा है तो 0 से 0 कट जाएगा और 0 ही बचेगा। मतलब ये 10 से पूरे पूरे विभाजित होंगे, कहां से लेकर 5 फैक्टोरियल से लेकर आगे के जो भी नंबर्स होंगे। लेकिन 4 फैक्टोरियल तक के जो नंबर्स हैं आपके, 1 फैक्टोरियल, 2 फैक्टोरियल, 3 फैक्टोरियल, 4 फैक्टोरियल, ये आपके जो हैं 10 से विभाजित नहीं होते हैं। तो आपको क्या करना है, यहां तक के जो नंबर्स हैं इनको सबको ऐड करके और 10 से विभाजित करके और फाइनल रिमाइंडर निकाल देना है, क्योंकि आगे का रिमाइंडर तो 0 हो गया, आगे के जितने भी रिमाइंडर है उनका रिमाइंडर तो 0 हो गया, आगे चेक करने की हमको जरूरत नहीं है। तो हमको केवल 24 और 6 30 और 2 32 और 1 33, ये जो 33 हो रहा है इसी से हमको टोटल संख्या का रिमाइंडर मिल जाएगा। तो 33 को 10 से विभाजित किया तो 3 बार विभाजित हुआ और आपका रिमाइंडर जो आ गया, शेषफल जो आ गया, वो कितने के इक्वल आ गया, 3 के ही इक्वल आ गया। इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज 3। सिंपल था कि नहीं, बताओ? कर ही सकते हो आप सब लोग इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस को। रिमाइंडर जो है, रिमाइंडर फॉर्म्स एन एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ योर ऑल योर एग्जाम्स, लाइक all government exams, whatever exam you are writing, like SSC, CDS, NDA, okay, bank, everywhere remainder questions are asked. So, and the questions mostly follow the same pattern. The same pattern is followed everywhere. ठीक है? If you see the question, 10 raised to power 20, this is divided by 1001. What will be the remainder? So the remainder is required here. So what you will do, guys, 10 raised to power 20 is divided by 1001. ठीक है? The remainder is, what is asked? What is the remainder? When you will solve this question, guys, you will write it like this: 10 raised to power 3, because 10 raised to power 3 is 1000, which is very near to 1001. So I am going to change the form of this number into this form, 10 raised to power 3 and outside 6 powers, because when you will divide this 20 by 3, it will be divided by 6 times. So 6 into 3, it will give you 18 powers. Still 2 powers are free, so you will write 10 raised to power 2. So total power is 6 3s are 18 plus 2 20. Total power is 20. You can see. Okay, and this number now has to be divided by 1001. Now why I changed this number in this form? Because I know that the numerator and the denominator should be as close as possible. When you make them very close, you can divide them very easily. You can make the question easy like this. So 10 raised to power 3 means 1000. Now 1000 is very much close to 1001. Okay, now it can be divided easily. And the other part is 10 raised to power 2, which is 100. So it will be divided by 1000. Now let's check it, what you will get here. 1000 raised to power 6. So when you will divide 1000 by 1001, you will get a remainder minus 1, guys. Minus 1. 1000 divided by 1001, you will get remainder minus 1. माइनस 1 की पावर 6 आ जाएगा यहाँ पर, एंड बचेगा कितना 100. ठीक है, तो आपका फाइनल जो आंसर आ जाएगा वो आ जाएगा 100, क्योंकि माइनस 1 की पावर 6 विल गिव यू ओनली 1 and 100 will be the remainder. 100 will not be divided now by 1000. It is not divisible by 1000. So that's why 100 will be the remainder. Okay, because it is not divisible further by 1000. So that's why the answer is this one. So the next question is, a number being successively divided by 3, 5 and 8 leaves 1, 2, 3 and 4 as remainders respectively. What are the remainders if the order of the divisors be reversed? So if the order is reversed, what will be the remainders? So bhaiya, what you will do it? 1 to 4 as remainders are there. Okay. So successive division. What is successive division? In Hindi it is called Kramagat Vibhajan. Kramagat Vibhajan. So the numbers are being successively divided by, a number is there which is successively being divided by 3, 5 and 8 and leaving remainders 1, 2 and 4. So what you will do, guys, suppose the number is n, you divided it by 3 first. Okay, suppose the first quotient is k1 and the first remainder is 1. Then this k1 will be divided by 5, guys. So this is called successive division. That whatever quotient you have got in the previous step, it will become the dividend in the next step. So quotient will become the dividend in the next step. So k1 will become dividend, and here you will divide k1 by the next divisor, which is 5. And suppose you get k2, because we don't know what we will get. Suppose you get k2 as the quotient. So the next remainder is 2. It is said in the question. Now this k2, this k2 is the quotient. This will be further divided by 8. Okay. Suppose you get k3 and the remainder is 4. Okay. So this is called successive division. This is called successive division till the last quotient is divided by the divisors. Means if you have exhausted all the quotients, all the divisors, then you have to stop. Now हमारे सारे divisors finish हो चुके हैं. Now we are going to stop. So यहाँ पर आप क्या कर सकते हैं, इस तरह से ये क्या कहलाता है आपका सक्सेसिव डिवीजन. सक्सेसिव क्या कहलाता है? डिवीजन कहलाता है दोस्तों. दिस इज कॉल्ड सक्सेसिव डिवीजन. ठीक है. अब सक्सेसिव डिवीजन की शॉर्ट ट्रिक क्या होती है? ऐसे क्वेश्चन में आपको ट्रिक बताता हूं. ट्रिक टू फाइंड द नंबर. ट्रिक टू फाइंड द नंबर. वो नंबर फाइंड करने की ट्रिक क्या होगी वो आप लोगों को मैं यहां पर बताने जा रहा हूं. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द ट्रिक. What you will do, guys, you will write all the divisors here. All the divisors will be written here, 3, 5 and 8. And in the row below, you will write all the remainders. All the remainders you will write here in the row below. What is the row? 1, 2 and 4. This is the row below and you will write all the remainders here. Okay. What are the remainders if the order of the divisors be reversed? This you have to find. So पहले first of all we will find the what is the number actually. So to find the number I am going to tell you the trick. So what is the trick? Start from here. Start from the last remainder, guys, and cross multiply it with the second divisor. So 4 will be, the last remainder will be divided with the second divisor. Just forget 8. Just forget the last divisor in the first row. Forget it. and then just cross multiply the last remainder with the middle divisor. मतलब लास्ट में जो रिमाइंडर लिखा हुआ है उसको मिडिल डिवाइजर से आपको क्या कर देना है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. तो 5 4 is 20 and then vertically you have to add. Okay, cross you have to multiply, vertically you have to add. So 5 4 20 plus 2, how much is it? 22, and then 22 will be multiplied with 3. So 22 3s are 66, and then vertically you have to add. So you will get total 67. This is the trick, guys, to get the number. Now we have got the number here. So what was the trick? First I multiplied 5 with 4, 4 with 5 plus, then I added 2. Then whatever was the result, I multiplied the result with 3 and then added this complete number to 1. So my number was 67. This is the method to find successive division questions. Now what you will do? Now you have to reverse the order of division. First of all, now the actual number is 67, guys. So now we are going to reverse the order of division. First we will divide 67. First we will divide 67 with the first divisor. First divisor is 8 because we have reversed the order of the division. So now in reverse order we will divide. We will first take 8. So 8 8s are 64 and remainder is 3, guys. Now what we will take? We will take this quotient 8, because in successive division questions you always divide quotients. Is it clear? So now this quotient will be divided by the next divisor, which is 5. 5 1s are 5 and the remainder you got is 3. Now this quotient is 1, next quotient is 1. This will be divided by 3. So it will not be divided, you will get the last remainder as 1, because 1 cannot be divided by 3. So final remainders are 3 3 1. 3 3 1. When you reverse the order, you got the remainders 3 3 1. Otherwise remainders were 1 2 4. Is it clear to all of you? So this is called successive division. I think it is sufficient to make you understand. Download the Embibe app now, guys, and you can see the Telegram channel also. Links of Telegram channel. You should join the Telegram channel so that you can get all the PDFs in time. Okay. And if you download the Embibe app right now, guys, what you get? The benefits are many. If you go to Embibe app, you will find all the kinds of books which are available in the market. You will find all the faculty books, what faculty are teaching. You will get learn feature there, in which all the small videos to big videos are there, which can clear all your concepts. Okay. And along with this, you have downloaded. Arvind is saying I have. Okay, great. Along with this, guys, some features are there, like if you go on the tab of practice, test and achieve, you will get unlimited material to practice. You can even create your own test, and then you can track your achieve journey, because the app itself tracks your journey, that how strong you have become, how stronger are you becoming day by day. So it guides you. Actually, the app, the technology guides you every moment, that what is your score, what is your potential. So you can just everything is available there. Agniveer Vayu questions. Yes, Agniveer Vayu questions are there. Every tab is there. You have to select Agniveer as your goal. There are some goals. When you will download the Embibe app, you will be asked to select a goal, in which you can select Agniveer Vayu or SSC or CDS, whatever you want to select. Everything is available there. Is it clear to all of you? Arvind? Questions are available, really? Yes, everything is available. Find the number of trailing zeros. The number of trailing zeros means the number of zeros at the end of the number. Trailing means at the end. And how to find the number of zeros? of factorial questions. If a number is given as a factorial, guys, so to find the number of zeros, the shortest trick is 15245. This number is given. You just keep dividing this number by 5. Okay, and add all the quotients. You will get the answer. The trick is, yes, CDS is after graduation. Yes. If you are preparing for an NDA, you can appear during your 12th class exams or after 12th. But for CDS, you have to be a graduate and then you can appear in CDS exam. Is it clear to all of you? So this is CDS class. Which class are you in? Arvind. So the trick to find the number of zeros is to divide the given number by 5 and keep dividing. So how many times will this number be divided? 5 3s are 15, 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45. Then again, you divide this number by 5. 5 6s are 30, 0, 5 9s are 45. And the 4 is the remainder. Just leave the remainder. Forget the remainder. Don't care about the remainder. Just divide the number and get the quotient. Now again, divide this quotient by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. 4 is the remainder. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. Okay. 5 4s are 20. Okay. What I'm doing, I keep dividing all these quotients and I get finally these quotients. Now what I will do, I will add all the quotients, these quotients. So if you add all these quotients, they will become 3658 or 3779, 3803, 3807, 3807. The total is 3807. If you add all these quotients, means keep dividing the number, guys. You are coaching for NDA. So for NDA also you can join Embibe app, guys. You can download, because for NDA I am taking maths classes on the Embibe app. You can come daily there and take the classes. Is it clear? This is NDA batch. This is NDA batch. This today on YouTube I am taking NDA class. Alternately I take NDA and CDS class on YouTube. But on Embibe app there is a fixed time for NDA batch. At 12 p.m. daily I take mathematics class for NDA, and 3 p.m. daily I take CDS class, mathematics CDS class. So you can come there and learn the concepts. Here I make you practice the questions. There I make you understand the concepts. So their concepts are going on, here questions are going on. So you can join it. Okay. So C option is the right answer of this question. Is there any other query? You can ask me. If there is any other query you have, you can ask me. You can feel free to ask anything. Are you getting? So let's go to the next question, guys. The next is find the highest power of 3 that completely divides 63 factorial. So find the highest power of 3 that completely divides 63 factorial. How many of you can solve this question? So highest power of 3 that completely divides 63 factorial. You have to use the same method, guys, which I used in the previous question. Here also what you have to do, 63 will be divided by 3. 3 will divide 63 21 times. Then 3 will divide 21. 3 again will divide 21 7 times. Then 3 again will divide 7 2 times. Forget the remainders and just keep dividing. Now 2 will not be divided by 2 cannot be divided by 3. So we will stop here and add all the quotients. So this will become 30. So highest power of 3 in 63 factorial is 30. So this is the trick, guys. Okay, this is the trick to solve such questions in which factorial numbers are given to you and highest powers are asked. Then you apply this trick and find the answer. It's very easy. As simple as that. Okay. Find the highest power of 2 that completely divides 45 factorial. Now can you solve this question also? the same method. The same method you can solve this question also, guys. Which one? This one. The highest power of 2 that completely divides 45 factorial. So what you will do? Keep dividing 45. Okay, so 2 will divide 45 22 times, then again 2 will divide 22 11 times, then again 5 times, then again 2 times, then again 1 time. And now stop here because now you can't divide 1 by 2. So that's why we will have to stop. And now we will add all the quotients. This is 33 plus 5, 38, 40, 41. 41 is the right answer of this question. Is it clear, Arvindo? Arvindo Ghosh, is it clear? Because your name is Arvind Ji. Next is the unit digit of 1 factorial to 1000 factorial. 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, 5 factorial is 120, 6 factorial is 720. In this manner, you will keep adding the numbers. Now what you have to do, you have to find the unit digit of this complete number. But guys, if you can clearly see this question, you can notice it that from 5 factorial, 120 is 5 factorial, 720 is 6 factorial. 5 factorial onwards, you can notice that the unit digit is 0. So there is no meaning to add 0 again and again till 1000 factorial. Okay, because in every number there will be 0 at the units place. So what is the need to add all the zeros? There is no need, just leave it. Okay, because 0, if 0 is added to any number, there is no effect on that number. Okay, so that's why we are going to leave all the numbers from 5 factorial to 1000 factorial. And what we will do, we will add just these numbers. Okay, 4 plus 6, the unit digits of these numbers, 4 plus 6, 10, plus 2, 12, plus 1, 13. So 3 is the unit digit of this number. 3 is the unit digit. So answer of this question is 3. Is it clear to all of you? Is there any doubt there? Clear hai? If you understood all the concept, you can show me thumb. You can do thumbs up. Okay. Let's move to another question. The unit digit of this number you have to find. What is the unit digit of this number? Can you tell me the unit digit of this number? Directly, you can tell me the unit digit just by looking at this number. If you understood, if you know the concept of unit digit, you can directly tell me the unit digit even without copy and pen. Without pen, paper, you can solve this question because you know that 27 factorial, which is in the power of 242. 242 power 27 factorial is given there. 27 factorial is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. So that's why this complete power is a multiple of 4. Okay. So when the power is a multiple of 4, the unit digit is always got by putting the power 4 to the unit digit of the given number. The given number's unit digit is 2. So put power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. 6 is the unit digit of this number. Because this power is completely a multiple of 4. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Now you will ask me that how it is multiple of 4. Because factorials, we already know that what is factorial. 27 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 and so on till 27. So you can see 4 is there in this factorial. So this 27 factorial is divisible by 4, completely divisible by 4. So you can clearly see that the power 27 factorial power which was given there, it is a multiple of 4. So if a power is a multiple of 4, it means you take the unit digit of the given number and just put the power 4 and you will get the unit digit. So that's what I have done here, and I have already explained this method many times on this channel YouTube. You can follow my previous sessions also. So guys, if you know 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 3 is 8 and 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So you can see 1, 4, 8, 6, and then again 2 raised to power 5 is 32. So this is a cycle of 4. The powers of 2 follow a cycle of 4. Then again powers repeat. These unit digits repeat. 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. You will always find the unit digits as 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. Where? In the powers of 2. Is it clear to all of you? Tell me. Is it clear? So I think that it should be clear to all of you. So answer of this question is 6. The next question. Before going to next question, I tell you that CDS CAPF batch is going on. Embibe app, you have to join it. It is completely free. You can learn the concepts there. Come and see how the concepts are going on there. And here on YouTube, you can practice the questions. Okay, tell me, now I ask you a question that find the factors of 180. How many of you can solve this question? How many factors are there of 180? Can you solve this question? This is your next question, guys. Find the number of factors of 180. So how to find the number of factors of a given number? Although I have discussed it many times that how to find the factors of a given number, but still I will tell you again what is the formula to find the number of factors of a given number. Suppose the number is n, which is equal to a raised to power p, b raised to power q and c raised to power r. Suppose this is the number. Okay, and you have already factorized this number in which the powers are p, q and r. So the number of factors are given by p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. Just add 1 to each and every power and then multiply them. That's it, and you will get the number of factors of the given number. And you always remember, you have to add 1 to the powers, not the bases. The bases here are a, b and c. So don't add 1 to the bases, only to the powers and then multiply them. And you can see a, b, c are bases here, and they are called prime factors. A, B, C are called prime factors or prime numbers, prime factors, because you have already prime factorized the given number n. Okay, so now the question is find the number of factors of 180. So what I will do, guys, first I will factorize 80 into prime numbers. So I can write 80 as 36 5s is 80, 2 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2 and 5 raised to power 1. This is your 180, guys. So number of factors, if you want to find here, the number of factors will be 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So 3 into 3 into 2. 18 will be the total number of factors of this number. So number of factors of this number are 18. Is it clear to all of you? Tell me. Any problem? आ रहा है सभी लोगों को समझ में? कोई भी दिक्कत हो बता सकते हैं. So the number of factors of this number are 18. I think everyone must have got this. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the method to solve such questions, guys. So I think that it is time to finish this session now. Okay. In the next session, we will be discussing much more. Till then, I just stop this session. Tomorrow, I will meet you here again. CAPF AC 2023 Maha Revision batch is going on. till it will be till 4th of August 2023. Okay, so 2-3 days classes are remaining, so you can just join them and enjoy your classes and learn as many things as possible. And these classes are live on YouTube and Embibe app. On YouTube you can get the class at 12 p.m. On Embibe app it is at 2 p.m. Okay, 2 free sessions are going on, Maha revision sessions, okay, which will revise all your concepts before your exam. Download the Embibe app now, because download the Embibe app, if you download the Embibe app, you will get all the books there, all the free material there, content, practice sessions. You can even create your own test there, okay, and your achieve journey is also shown to you, how you are growing in your studies. And please join the Telegram channel of Embibe so that you can get the PDFs in time. And don't forget to download the Embibe Lens app, on which you can see any object in 3D. You can see all the objects in 3D and learn with fun, okay. Like if you are studying science, maths, geography, English, anything, whatever object comes there, you can learn it in 3D. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Please like, share and subscribe the session. We will meet again in the tomorrow's session. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind.
Keep Embibe